How to find archived messages on Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search facebook.com, log into your account. Then click on the message icon at the top right corner of your screen, which will open Messenger. Now click on three dots at the top left corner of your screen and click on Archive Chats. Here, you will find all your archived messages on Messenger. You can click on it and text the person as well. And if you want to remove, click on three dots beside it. Then click on Archive Chat and your chat will be on archive. This process is on desktop. But if you want to do the same thing on your phone, open Messenger on your phone. Click on three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find Archive. Click on Archive. After you click on Archive, you will find all your archived chats in here. You can click on it to view the messages and also text. And this is how to find archived messages on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.